Resetting two-factor authentication on Outlook can help you regain access to your account if you're having trouble. Follow these steps to reset your two-factor authentication settings. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account sign-in page and enter your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to verify your identity using your current method. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Security section in your account settings. This is usually found in the top menu or sidebar. Click on it to access your security options. Step 3. Manage two-factor authentication. In the security settings, look for the option related to two-factor authentication or two-step verification. Click on this option to view your current settings and options for resetting. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. To reset, you may need to disable two-factor authentication first. Follow the prompts to turn it off. You might be asked to verify your identity again during this process. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling, you can re-enable two-factor authentication. Follow the setup process to choose your preferred verification methods and complete the setup. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Outlook. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance.